Most people think sleep is simply turning the body off for the night. You close your eyes, everything shuts down, and then you wake up in the morning. But the truth is the complete opposite. While you're asleep, your body begins one of the most important processes it performs every single day: repairing, rebuilding, and resetting itself from the inside out. Think of sleep like an overnight repair crew that comes in after a long day. During the day, your brain, muscles, immune system, and organs are constantly working. Tiny amounts of damage build up everywhere. Cells wear out, toxins accumulate, and energy gets drained. Sleep is the time when your body fixes all of that damage so you can function properly the next day. One of the first things that begins repairing itself when you fall asleep is your brain. Your brain is incredibly active all day long. Every thought, movement, and decision produces small amounts of waste chemicals. Normally, these waste products build up while you're awake. But when you fall asleep, your brain activates a special cleaning system that washes these toxins away. Scientists often compare this process to taking out the trash. During sleep, fluid flows through the brain and removes waste products that have accumulated throughout the day. This cleaning process helps protect brain cells and may even reduce the risk of long-term brain diseases later in life. Sleep is also when your brain organizes memories. Everything you experience during the day, conversations, things you learned, and even emotions, gets sorted while you sleep. Important memories are strengthened, while unimportant information gets discarded. This is why studying before sleep can actually help you remember things better. Have you ever noticed that after a good night's sleep, you suddenly understand something that confused you the day before? That's because your brain has spent the night organizing and strengthening those neural connections. While your brain is being cleaned and organized, another important repair job begins in your body: muscle recovery. Throughout the day, your muscles experience tiny amounts of stress and microscopic damage, especially if you exercise or perform physical work. During deep sleep, your body releases growth hormone, which helps repair and rebuild muscle tissue. This hormone is essential for recovery. It helps muscles grow stronger, repairs damaged cells, and even supports bone health. That's why athletes and people who exercise regularly often prioritize getting enough sleep. Without proper sleep, the body simply cannot repair muscles effectively. Sleep also plays a huge role in strengthening your immune system. Your immune system is responsible for defending your body against viruses, bacteria, and infections. But just like any other system in your body, it needs time to recharge and rebuild. While you sleep, your body produces important immune cells and proteins that help fight off illness. These include substances called cytokines, which help your body respond to infections and inflammation. When you don't get enough sleep, your immune system becomes weaker, making it easier for you to get sick. That's one of the reasons why people often feel extremely tired when they are fighting a cold or infection. Your body is encouraging you to sleep so it can focus its energy on healing. Sleep also regulates many of the hormones that control how your body functions. Hormones act like chemical messengers that tell different parts of the body what to do. When you don't sleep enough, these signals can become unbalanced. For example, sleep helps regulate hormones that control hunger. When you are sleep deprived, your body produces more of the hormone that makes you feel hungry and less of the hormone that tells you you're full. This is one of the reasons why poor sleep is linked to weight gain and increased cravings for unhealthy foods. Your heart and blood vessels also benefit greatly from sleep. During the day, your heart works continuously to pump blood throughout your body. But when you fall asleep, your heart rate slows down and your blood pressure drops. This gives your cardiovascular system time to rest and recover. Over time, getting enough sleep helps protect your heart and reduces the risk of conditions like high blood pressure, heart disease, and stroke. On the other hand, chronic sleep deprivation can put extra strain on your heart and increase long-term health risks. Another surprising repair process happens in your skin while you sleep. Your skin is constantly exposed to sunlight, pollution, and environmental damage throughout the day. During sleep, blood flow to the skin increases, helping repair damage and rebuild important proteins like collagen. Collagen is what helps keep your skin firm and healthy. This is why people often refer to sleep as beauty sleep. Getting enough rest allows your skin to repair itself and maintain a healthier appearance. Sleep even helps repair your emotional health. During the day, you experience stress, frustration, excitement, and many other emotions. While you sleep, your brain processes these emotional experiences and helps regulate how you respond to them. This emotional processing helps you wake up feeling more balanced and better able to handle challenges. When people don't get enough sleep, they often feel more irritable, anxious, or overwhelmed. That's because the brain hasn't had enough time to properly process emotions. But here's something many people don't realize. These repair processes happen in stages throughout the night. Sleep is not one continuous state. Instead, your body cycles through different stages, including light sleep, deep sleep, and REM sleep. Deep sleep is when much of the physical repair happens, including muscle recovery and growth hormone release. REM sleep, which stands for rapid eye movement sleep, is when your brain becomes highly active and processes memories and emotions. Your body cycles through these stages multiple times every night. But if your sleep is too short or constantly interrupted, your body may not spend enough time in the stages that are most important for repair. Over time, consistently poor sleep can begin to affect almost every part of your health. It can weaken your immune system, reduce your ability to focus, increase stress, and even impact your metabolism. On the other hand, getting enough quality sleep gives your body the time it needs to perform all of these critical repair processes. It allows your brain to stay sharp, your muscles to recover, your immune system to stay strong, and your body to function at its best. So the next time you go to sleep, remember that your body isn't simply shutting down. It's beginning one of the most important maintenance processes it performs every day. While you rest, your brain is cleaning itself, your muscles are rebuilding, your immune system is strengthening, and your entire body is preparing you for the next day. Sleep may look like doing nothing, but in reality, it's one of the most powerful tools your body has for staying healthy. And the better you sleep, the better your body can repair, recover, and perform. So tonight when you finally close your eyes, remember your body's repair crew is just getting started. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more bite-sized educational videos. Please leave a comment down below if you have any suggestions on what we should cover next,